Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make text go around a circle in Canva. The first thing you want to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to select text. Then from here you can select any one of these options. So for this example I'll simply select this option. Then you are going to write in your text. You can write in your text real quick. After you're finished writing in your text, what I want you to do next is simply tap on Effects in the top right hand corner. After you have selected Effects, you're going to go right where you see Shape and you're going to tap on Curve. After you have tapped on Curve, you're going to scroll down a bit and from here you will see a slider right here and you can simply pull it. As you can see right there, if you should carry it to 100, you can see it forms a full circle. So you can simply glide it along to your liking. And that's it. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on share like you normally do, then tap on download to download it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.